Alright. Hello everyone, welcome to match 3 of day 9 of the CNC Encounter Tournament. So for this matchup, we have the number 1 seed of the North, Krypton, against the number 9 seed of the North, kevinmathz. Let me give you a brief introduction to the contestants. Krypton was one of the people who was relatively unknown by the server prior to the CCT, and his performance was rather like his claim to fame in CNCM. So he put up a very impressive show, winning both of his preseason games and grabbing the number 1 seed in the North. And kevinmathz, even though his seeding and his preseason performance is not as impressive as Krypton, he certainly has a lot of accomplishments that speaks for his strength. kevinmathz is the Mavcons Nationals qualifier in 2018 from one of the toughest states, Massachusetts, and it's also a USA GMO honorable mention in 2020. So while kevinmathz pulled off this upset, while Krypton established himself as superior. Alright, I'm going to assume that both of you are familiar with the rules of the tournament, right? So would you like a warm-up game? Alright, since Krypton wants it, we're going to have a warm-up game. Alright, the warm-up problem will begin in 3, 2, 1. Krypton. That is correct. Alright, so that was a warm-up problem. Are both of you ready to begin the actual game? Alright, our first problem will begin in 3, 2, 1. Kevin. That is time, I believe.
That's incorrect anyway.
Yeah. Krypton. That is the correct answer. Wow, so Krypton jumps out to an early 1-0 lead. Again, Kevin has plenty of space to come back from this. Is Kevin going to be able to make the comeback? Well, just Krypton, Krypton just like continue advancing. Let's see with our next problem, which will begin in 3, 2, 1. Krypton. That is incorrect. Also, I believe that was a 30-second alert while Krypton was answering. So Kevin, you have 15 seconds left. Actually, it's closer to 10 now. Alright, Kevin, you answered before I recognized you, and that was incorrect anyways. I'm going to count that as a buzz. Alright, the answer is 6.
Yes.
So the score remains at 0-0. 1-0 after 2 prompts. Krypton is still in the lead. And the next problem is going to begin in 3, 2, 1. Krypton. That is correct. So Krypton now has a 2-0 lead. We've seen this situation today twice, and both times it resulted in the person who gained an initial 2-0 lead winning. So, but like, well, kevinmathz stopped Krypton's progress now. Progress with the later primes. Well, or while Krypton, or Krypton just retained his momentum and move on to obtain the victory. So our next problem is going to begin in 3, 2, 1. kevinmathz as time. That was incorrect anyways.
Kellen, don't say incorrect anyways if it's after time from now on.
I believe that was like right on the edge of time. Krypton as time. Oh, okay, I will allow it. It was again around the crisp. So, Krypton now has an impressive 3-0 lead over Kevin. Well, the next probably it. And the next and very potentially final problem is going to begin in 3, 2, 1. Krypton for the win. Time. Kevin. That is correct. So Kevin avoids being swept here. He gets on the board, but Krypton still has a solid lead of 3-1. Will Kevin make the comeback here? We'll see with our next problem, which is going to begin in 3, 2, 1. Kevin. That is the correct answer. Wow.
Comeback.
And we could see a comeback forming here. Kevin has now gotten himself 2 points, but Krypton is still in the lead with 3 points. And the next round, which is still a game point for Krypton, will begin in 3, 2, 1. Kevin. Incorrect.
Oh.
Krypton, you have to buzz again if you would like to answer. Krypton for the win. That is the correct answer. Krypton eliminates Kevin and moves on in the tournament to a round of 16. Congratulations to Krypton. And also thank you, Kevin, for putting up a great matchup for us.